Welcome back to DinaLicious 101. Today we're going to learn how to season some arrachera, some skirt steak, so keep watching. The ingredients that we're going to be using today are very simple. We're going to be using 2 tablespoons of cilantro, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a tablespoon of pepper, half a tablespoon of adobo, half a tablespoon of oregano, and 2 packets of sazon goya. And then I melted a stick of butter in here that we're going to be putting in there. Now, once we start seasoning, ideally you want to let this marinate for about an hour or 2 at least. If not, it's fine, but the flavor's better when you let it marinate. Then as a side dish, I'm going to be putting some cebollitas, some onions. So let's get started. Now, let's prepare to get our hands dirty. So I'm going to pour in my butter. And this is unsalted butter, by the way, which is the best to use because it gives your meat a nice soft texture and it doesn't add any additional salt other than what we're already going to add. We're going to add our oregano. Our cilantro, it looks like a lot, but it's not. Our adobo, our cayenne pepper, a regular pepper, and we're going to use these 2 packets of sazon goya. And that's it. So once we have everything in here, you want to go ahead and mix. You want to make sure you massage this properly so that every piece is seasoned. Alright, so I'm going to let this sit here for a bit, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start chopping our veggies, which basically I'm just going to put onions on top. I'm going to make it very simple for you guys. So keep watching. Now, while my meat is marinating, I'll go ahead and this up. And these I'm going to put into the meat once the meat is cooked because you don't want these to be too soggy. You want them to have a little texture to them. So these are ready. I'm going to go ahead and get started and put the meat to cook. Keep watching. I've had my pan heating as usual, medium heat. So I'm going to start putting that in. And what you want to do is you want to put the lid on it and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Be checking up on it. Don't leave the stove because you don't want this to burn. and it's something that's going to cook very quickly. So I'm gonna let it cook here for a bit. I'm gonna put the lid on. Keep watching. Now I'm gonna prepare myself a little side salad for my meat. So I'll show you guys how I do this. So I'm using half a bell pepper, and as you see, I separated some cherry tomatoes and some lettuce. And I don't want my pieces to be too small, so I think this is fine. Put that in there. And I'm going to grab cucumber. I don't know if you guys ever heard this, but when you do this, it kind of takes the bitter out of the cucumber. So, may be true, may not be, I don't know. But I always heard it did. Comment below if you ever heard that before. 'Cause I used to hear that all the time when I was little. Alright, so finish peeling. Now to make my dressing, what I'm going to do is use a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to grab a little bit of apple cider vinegar with the mother. A little bit of pepper. And I'm going to use a little bit of pink sea salt. And remix. This is a nice little vinaigrette. Maybe I can do a video on more complicated vinaigrettes that we can do with fruit and stuff. But for today, I think I'm just going to do a simple one. Now let's taste it. One more salt. I'm going to put a little bit of lime in there. Perfect. Now I'm going to go check on my meat and put my onions in to cook for a few minutes, and then I'll do the final product. Keep watching. And this is our final product. Take a look at that. Put some lime on the side, a little bit of salad, and our onions, sauteed onions. This is delicious, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, as always, to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos each week. Also, don't forget to follow me on Facebook. My cooking page is DinaLicious Cooking 101. Thank you for watching. Bye!